Jai Gurudev. Good afternoon, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying at home. Dear children, in this class, we should be discussing about the triangles. What do you mean by triangle, children? Triangle is a simple closed figure forming with three sides. Yes or no, children? What is a triangle is? Triangle is a simple closed figure forming with three sides. Yes. So, if you label this one is the chords of the days, ABC is a one of the triangle. Okay. So now here 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So three sides. It is a closed figure. Yes or no, children? And when we are having the three sides with the closed that, it is a forming that three angles also. What is the three angles is? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, so the children, in that is what we are having, that means is sides. How many sides are there? Three sides. That is AB, BC, and CA. Okay, yes, AB, BC, and CA are the sides. Okay, so next, as well as angles. Yes, so what are the angle means is angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, and third one is vertices. What are the vertices, children? A, B, C. A, B, and C are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay, did you understand now? So next, classification of the triangles. Okay, so based on the sides. Okay, how many types of the children? There are the three types of the triangles based on the sides. Okay, so they are right. First one is equilateral triangle. And second one is isosceles triangle. And third one is scalene triangle. Okay, yes. So these are the based on the sides. Okay, based on sides. Next, based on angles. How many types of the triangles are there, children? There are also three types of the triangles. First one is acute angle triangle, second one is right angle triangle, and third one is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so first one is acute angle triangle. Next, second one is right angle triangle. And third one is obtuse angle triangle. Yes, so these are the based on the angles. Okay, so totally how many types of the triangles are there means is 6 types. They are the based on the sides is 3 types, based on the angles is 3 types. Okay, so already we know that is about that. And just I am discussing about the definition of these types of the triangles. Okay, so first one is equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle, children? In a triangle, three sides are equal. When the three sides are equal, then their angles are also equal. Yes. So such type of the triangle can be called as a equilateral triangle, and each angle in a triangle is 60 degrees. Okay. Yes. So then second one is isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle, children? In a triangle, any two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Such type of the triangle can be called as a isosceles triangle. And third one, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means is in a triangle, each side cannot be equals to other. Okay, every side also cannot be equals to other side. Yes, such type of the triangle can be called as a scalene triangle. So, and based on the angles. Yes, based on the angles. So, what is the first one, children? Acute angle triangle. Yes, so in a triangle, each angle means is totally three angles are there. No, in a triangle is, yes or no, children? Three angles are there. These three angles are also must be there acute angle. What do you mean acute angle, children? So that angle is having that more than 0 degrees, less than 90 degrees. Such type of angle can be called as a acute angle. Yes. So it means is in a triangle, each angle is also acute angle. Yes. So such type of the triangle can be called as a acute angle triangle. Okay. So for example, 50, 60 and 70. Yes. Some of the three angles must you want to get the 180 degrees, no, children. That is 50 plus 60 is a 110. 110 plus 70 will become 180 degrees. Yes. So 50, 60, 70, these three angles also less than 90 degrees only. Yes or no, children? And greater than 0 degrees only. Yes. So such type of triangle can be called as a acute angle triangle. Yes. Next one, right angle triangle. What do you mean by right angle, children? Yes. So it is exactly having that 90 degrees. Yes or no, children? So right angle means is exactly 90 degrees. Okay. So then in a triangle, one angle only, any one angle is must be 90 degrees. Okay. Remaining two angles must be the acute angles only. Yes. So such type of triangle can be called as a right angle triangle. Next, third one, obtuse angle triangle. What do you mean by obtuse, children? Obtuse angle is nothing but is that angle is must be having that more than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. So such type of angle can be called as a obtuse angle. Okay, for example, 135, 160, 179 also, because of less than 180, no, children. So the type of angle can be called as a obtuse angle. Means is in a triangle only one angle must be there, obtuse angle, and the remaining two angles must be the acute angles. Yes. So such type of triangle can be called as a obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so do you children understood now classification of the triangles is? Okay, so this all we learned in the lower classes only, but to basically we want to be know the about the triangles. But according to our syllabus, in our 9th class syllabus, we are having the criterions, means is it congruency rules and the similarity rules we want to be learning in this class. Okay, in the 9th class, we have to be learn about the congruency rules. Okay, so to going to the congruency rules, we want to be know about the triangle basic conditions. Yes, so basic conditions without knowing there is a basic conditions, we won't know the Z and we won't understand that similarity or is congruency rules. Okay, so that's why we are discussing about the basic points of the triangles and its a classification. Dear children, so now we are entering into the topic is congruency of two triangles. Okay, so what do you mean by congruency, children? Congruency is nothing but is when we are comparing the two figures. Yes, when we are comparing the two figures, it must be having the same shape and same size. Okay, it must having the same shape and same size. Okay, such type of the figures can be called as a congruency figures. Yes, now we are entering our triangles, that is congruency of triangles. Okay, congruency of the triangles means is when we are comparing the two triangles, yes, two triangles must be having the same shape and same size. Okay, same shape and same size. So shape of the triangles can be called as a congruency of the triangles. Okay, so for example, I am taking as a two triangles is, that is one is ABC and another one is DEF. DEF. Okay, when we are taking as a these two triangles is, yes, so ABC and DEF. Yes, so in these two triangles, it must be having the same shape, size and same shape. Okay, so to prove this one is, yes, to prove this one is these two triangles are the congruency triangles is, we are having the totally 4 types of the rules are we are having now. Yes, 4 types of the rules we are having. Okay, so in that is first one is side, angle, side. Okay, it means is SAS. Okay, by SAS congruency rule, these two triangles is similar 4 properties. First, you have to learn about that. Okay, so first one is SAS rule or side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle, side. Okay, and second one is triple S rule. Means is side, side, side. Okay, and third one ASA rule. Means is angle, side, angle. Okay, and fourth one is RHS rule. Means is right angle, hypotenuse, and the last one is side. Okay, yes. So when you are taking as a these 4 properties, the two triangles, we can prove that is congruency triangles. Okay, so then in this class we should be learn about the first one is, that is SAS rule. Okay, so dear children, now we are taking as a first one is SAS rule. Okay, so according to SAS rule, okay, according to SAS rule, now I am taking as a one triangle is ABC and another triangle is DEF. So DEF and here is ABC. Okay, so these two triangles we want to prove that is congruency triangles by using the SAS rule. Means is to prove that one is when we are comparing these two triangles is, yes, when we are comparing these two triangles, AB is equals to DE and angle A is equals to angle D. Yes, angle AC side and DF side. Okay, yes, when we are comparing these two triangles is, if you are getting as AB is equals to DE, angle A is equals to angle D, AC is equals to DF. AC is equals to DF. Then we can say that is these two triangles are congruency triangles by the rule of SAS. By the rule of SAS. Yes. So that is a solution of that, or that is a required to prove of the SAS rule. Okay. Yes. So now I am taking as a in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Yes, that is AB is equals to DE. Next angle A is equals to angle D. Next AC is equals to DF. Means this is side. This is angle and this is side. Yes, by SAS rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. Okay, so when you are getting as these two triangles are congruency triangles by the CPCT. By the CPCT means is corresponding parts of the congruency triangles. Okay, corresponding parts of the congruency triangles. Okay, by the CPCT, remaining sides and remaining angles must be equal. Remaining sides and remaining angles must be equal. Okay, means is by CBSE, what are getting the children? Remaining is BC is equals to EF. BC is equals to EF. Next, angle B is equals to angle E. And angle C is equals to angle F. Okay, yes. Means is when you are writing as a two triangles are the congruency triangles by the rule of CPCT means is corresponding parts of the congruency triangles remaining sides and remaining angles must be equal only. Yes, you want to be remember the point is it can be useful in the future classes. Okay, I hope you are all understand about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact to me. And what we are giving that homework and classwork must you have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me without fail. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.